Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yep.
Poof, there it is. Kenny would like to see. You got to send this to Kenny. There
This
it
is awesome. Awesome.
Oh yeah.
That makes it worth the
The
while.
magic
don't it?
right there.
Oh,
You
he's
hook
catching
into
the
a
fish.
fish.
Fish! Oh yeah, Austin!
Oh,
Go!
yeah. Good rocket.
Yes.
Fucking catfish, probably.
Oh, damn it.
Yep, catfish.
Yep. It's all in that. A lot faster than the shuttle.
Do you need a light, Austin?
No, I'm watching the
Well,
rocket.
That's
wait.
pretty.
Oh yeah.
So good, I'm gonna catch him again.
These
Perfect,
guys.
clear
The
night.
thing is moving a heck of a lot faster than a space shuttle. You're right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It shoots out of there much faster.
It'll take a minute for you here, I think.
Make sure you send this to Kenny, please. Yeah, that thing's hauling ass compared to the shuttles.
It is, yeah. Hey man, that thing really is moving quite a bit faster.
Oh yeah, look at the streak now. It's coming this way.
Yeah, it's gonna do the.
It's turning. Yep. Look at that. Looks like a comet. No sound though.
Not yet. It might be too far away.
No, we'll hear it.
We're here.
Yeah, we figured we'd hear that.
It's right above us. How awesome
Yeah.
is this?
Yeah, looks like a comet.
Look at that thing, man. That thing's burning and stuff now.
Maybe we could see the what? Oh, watch for a
There it
stage.
Here it is.
There it is. Yep.
There it is.
Took quite some time.
Oh, there it goes. It's
Yep.
doing
Woohoo!
the stage
Yeah.
operations.
Yep, look at that blue.
Awesome.
Yeah,
It's
gonna
going
drop,
to its
it's gonna
second,
drop
just-
a rocket.
Yeah, it just dropped its main and it's going into the secondary.
Spit it out. Spit it out again.
Here it is.
Uh-oh.
Killed it. It should light back up. It just dropped the engine, I think.
Oh, here
Yep,
comes the
there's
second
the second.
stage.
Yep.
Starting.
That's funny.
Maybe it turns and we're not seeing the tail. It's cool, you hear the sound over there and it's already over here. That's fast.